Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this widget tutorial, let's explore the subcategory widget for creating attractive product subcategory grids for your store landing. For an online store website, displaying product subcategories under the main category is one of the customer engagement points. Ultimate Store Kit ensures that you are able to display your product subcategories with your own branding and style. The unique aspect of this add-on helps you personalize everything on the layout. Are you excited for the showdown? Let's start now! To use the subcategory widget, you may search for it under the widget menu and simply drag and drop it into your Elementor editor page. Upon dropping, the interface will show the default appearance of the content by the widget. These are the subcategories. But be reminded that in order to show content here, your product categories must have subcategories. Also, you need to set thumbnails for the parent categories to show them here like this. Okay, now, let's move on. If you want to start customizing the content layout for this widget, look for the options under the Content tab. Here, if you want to change the number of columns for the display, you can do it in the Layout section. There are preset numbers, so you can quickly swap between them. Additionally, you can edit the gap between each column of items, either increase or decrease, to create your desired layout. The options also provide a title HTML tag selector and an image resolution editor. Another option is the content direction, which lets you select between horizontal and vertical rows, as well as the position of the image and content. On top of that, you can also choose custom text alignment from the option. Besides the layout options, the subcategory widget also provides query controls. Within the query section, you are able to use include and exclude filters to display or hide any number of selected categories. This is a convenient option that allows custom content display settings as much as you want. Additionally, you can choose the content order for the subcategory display, as well as hide any empty categories. Next, if you have noticed, the category display images keep changing. This is due to the images set to the subcategories. And the widget also provides options to edit the animation. That's under the Settings section. So you can edit by turning on or turning off the autoplay and loop, as well as set the animation delay, speed, and effect. Moreover, the effect option also has additional creative effects under it, so you can choose from the presets. Now, all these changes can alter the layout of the subcategory display. But in order to change the appearance significantly, you may jump into the Style tab. That's the tab you want to personalize your content. So, you may start with the Items section to ramp up your content style. Here, you will be able to change the background color of the item boxes. Either choose a single color or go for gradient, your choices. If you want to add a border to the items, you can do that here as well. However, there's a default border, which you can change anytime. The options let you choose a border type from the presets and adjust the border width and color. Also, if you want to make the border corners more round, the border radius option will help you achieve that. Additionally, you will be able to adjust the gap between the items and texts. The space between options lets you do that. There's also a box shadow option available, in case you want to add more punch to the visuals with custom shadows. Other than that, if you want to, you can separately add a border to the images. The option is available. Then what if you want to style the title text? There's a dedicated section for that. You can change the title color, margin, and font style. The typography option is for customizing the font style, which is a combination of font customizations such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. Also, you can customize the subcategory texts, which is right under the title. The options are similar to the title, and you can also set a hover color for it. To style the font, you may keep similar edits to the typography. Then again, the same can be said for the Read More section. Here, you can customize the color, hover color, margin, and typography of the Read More. So, why the wait? You may as well set the style straight at one shot. And that's how you can make an interactive product subcategory display on WordPress. Here are some examples you may follow to make your store landing more awesome. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Ultimate Store Kit. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.